Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. And before we can do that, we need to check one step before that, and that is go to your Facebook page, tap right in the bottom on your profile, then tap on the wheel right in the top and search for page status. From here, tap on that, scroll down, manage admins, and make sure that your account is admin on your page. Otherwise, you cannot connect your page. All right, now if you go to Instagram, we want to connect our page just right here. And for that, you need a professional account. Otherwise, it won't work. If you have no idea how to create a professional account or a business account, please check out the video on my channel. That is a video that's very easy to watch. And after that, you can do these steps. Alright, if you have a business account, then we can go further by tapping right in the top on the three lines, scroll to Business Tools and Controls, and from there tap on Connect a Facebook page. Now tap on Continue, log into Facebook, continue, go further, and from here we want to select the example page, tap on Connect. We received this notification, so now our page got linked to our account. And if you go back, refresh this, edit profile, you can see that the page is linked to example page. And this is the way how you can link your Facebook page to Instagram. All right, if you have questions, please leave them below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.